Hi guys, this is Strela Taunawzam again, bringing you the 24th episode of Mami Mapao. Yengbiri bapumna magpu taramno chiri. Now, before we begin, we have a slight change of plans. Well, don't worry, it's a good news by the way. Yam nungai ba pao mani. Ngasi dagi hauna chayol kudingi Mami Mapao sandok pa hauzaragani. So we are coming every Friday 6:30. Yay! And yeah, thank you so much to all the viewers from the 23rd episode who has given your comments and supported us on this plan. Now, let us quickly see what we have on today's 24th episode. Ahan boina thamjariba asi Ukrul da pangthokiba Siroi Festival gi marik chumba pawdamni. International Dance Day Imphal da mapung fana pangthokiba gi mapauna ani suboina thamjari. Thamoi sina hairi haina mingthon ba music album ama release tawkibagi mapauna ahum suba leichaloina thamjari. Mari suba amadi aroiba oina thamjari ba asina Kau Phaba haina mingthon ba Manipuri feature film amagi Mami Khonghogi Thoram pangthokibagi mapauni mayam mityeng taminas. Siroi Festival 2018 has just ended and I don't need to explain how beautiful it was. Let's go and have a look.
Haukiba April kunmari dagi kuntaret fauba Urkhul district ki tongan mamafum kayada sahi asigi Siroi Lily Festival yamna chawna madi mapung fana pangthok rei. Manipur State Tourism Department gi miyang makha pangthok liwa festival ase maruoina district asigi TNL ground Baksi ground madi Siroi khul gi lampak pangthoki. Mausa khuchem gi ningthijara saktam kayana chonna leiriba district asibu tourist singi khoida jaba panthung famama oina yokhatna magi wakhallol lamag loinana pangthok liba festival ase Siroi khul gi lampak ta chief minister nongthom biren haudoki. Singthaningai obi khongthang amoina Imphal gi The Giving Tree amade Siroi Youth Club Urkhul anina punna sinduna Siroi chingda leramba amot akai kya sengdokpagi Clean Siroi haina mingthonba campaign pangthoki.
Mami Mapao team is here and get ready to witness the biggest festival in the Hill District. This is Siroi Lily Festival 2018. From someone here that everyone knows because she has been here since the last 5 days and she probably might want to talk to a real human after a long time. So what's going on?
I is 23 dagi sida larakpani Ukrul da and this Clean Siroi Festival and I is adugi moina thousand bidana brand ambassador happy.
Okay, that was the Green Siroi Lily. We have the ambassador of Green Siroi Lily, which is organized by the Giving Tree. Mami Mapao na mayam na Siroi Lily gi sigumba event mayam pumna mak puropagi hojik mafam se yaurabanina get ready to witness everything. So let's watch it. Guys, let's meet the brain and also the muscle behind all this Green Siroi, Clean Siroi event that we have. So here's Mr. Bobby Lashram. Ado event sigi matang da mayam di kitang chawrakpa like a highlight.
Okay, so I climbed Siroi in 2003, the first time. It was pristine, it was beautiful. I saw trees that were like 500, 700 years old that time. So, you know, I stayed there 3 nights over there, just me and a friend of mine. I was in love with this place. So I came back, you know, very satisfied, very happy about this place and everything. The next time I climbed was in 2015. It was gone. There was trash all around. All the trees have been cut. Everything has been cut. I was sad. I came back depressed. I remember I stayed there in that IFAT center. And, you know, whole night I was depressed and I had a vision that I wanted to clean Siroi Kasung range. So now the dream has come into being. So we applied to the government that, you know, we wanted to just, you know, I want some volunteers. So we got the project and so we are doing the Clean Siroi Drive as well as a 10,000 trees plantation campaign. Siroi Youth Club, which is our collaborator, they have advised us that we'll do the tree plantation only after Van Mahotsav. So the Van Mahotsav will happen. So we have a team of around 50 people, all from Imphal and different places. So we have a pop-up village near Ukhrul, where all the volunteers are staying. Every evening there is programs and things are happening. The most tangible thing that we are doing is we are cleaning up the main Shiroi ground. We are cleaning up this hill. We are cleaning up Baxi ground, where all the mess is happening, where everyone is trashing.
Sure, we'll come and visit, and I invite everyone come and visit. And also our Mr. Bobby, he has the giving tree, and in 2 places, right?
Actually 3 places. Yeah, one is in Sangai Pro, one is in Matai, the other one is in Chirikun. The Chirikun one is mainly an organic farm. So I work with bamboo also. So I have another company called Wagiwa. So we create houses or resorts or anything with bamboo and mud architecture, like mostly what is available here. We are not bringing steel and cement and all. We are trying to, chase away these things. We want to promote bamboo, earth, what's available in our own land sustainably. Yeah. So
we have all this in what kind of a beauty there is in the giving tree. We have all this in the sites, and I'm sure that everyone sees that. And after we talk more, we are unveiling a lot of more secrets, more clean thoughts. That it's such a big initiative that you're taking. Thank you so much for your time.
Today we went up to the peak and then we collected all the trash and then we brought it down. So I think you've seen we've got quite a lot, but I think there are about like 10 times more up there. So it's quite a Herculean task.
Okay, so we need more volunteers. So we have to come back again and come and clean it with again. So can you tell us a little bit more about what is Hill Wild about?
Oh, okay. Hill Wild is a private limited company. So what we do is we have started with manufacturing chocolates. So apart from the manufacturing chocolates, we use a lot of local ingredients. So basically, instead of using cashew nuts and other almonds, we use our own locally sourced nuts. That is the USP of Hill Wild. So apart from that, we aid local livelihood as well as empower community. So we have a project called Made in Ukhrul. So this project empower entrepreneurs and we help them how to grow business in that manner. So this is the project that we do.
Very nice. Promoting our own culture as well as giving some tasty foods to the people. Right. So what can we expect more from the Hill Wild in the coming projects? I mean,
for some time, we're going to really concentrate on production because we've noticed that, there's a lot of demand to our products now. A lot of people now really like the way that we've made our, products. So, we're trying to scale it up and we're trying to refine the ingredients. We're trying to refine the recipe as well. Manufacturing and production, scaling up of everything is on our agenda right now. Beyond that, we have, an aim to make Ukhrul a sustainable district by 2030. And we also aim to, make it an organic district by 2030. We have empowered a couple of farmers. We have a farmers group and we are trying to get organic certification for them as well. So, it's quite a long process, but we've initiated that. And so that is, one of our, main agendas.
So basically, it's not just us growing, but, collective growth of the community. That's where we are focusing on.
right, that's a big initiative, and also I wish that, and I know that this thing will be successful in 2030 or even before that. Thank you so much for your time.
Hariba campaign asigi aroiba nimita sililang libasing taki oiba DJ night amasu pop-up village haina minthonba camping site pangthoki. Mami Mapao ki team su mapamadu laiduna festival ase mapung fana saruk yaki. Festival asigi manung chana pangthok ki thorum singi manung da kharadang lokal labada Chico Adventures and Emington ba district asigi Jorcheng Khul ki kemta Chico Adventures Manipur Extreme Sports amadi Attitude X na bunna khusam na tuna MTV Downhill Race Trophy ki ani suba edition su pangthok ki Manipur ki khakna tana India ki mafam kya da lake riders singna mountain bike race aduda saruk yaki.
Chico Adventures presents the second MTB cycle downhill race trophy. It's a whole length of 2 kilometers with a lot of obstacles that it's very exciting. This second edition of that mountain biking race it is. So can you tell us a little more about this?
Okay, the first edition MTB Downhill was organized in this peak, but this time we want to be make it more professional. So we also involve making a track with who are expert in this downhill track. So we are collaborating with Manipur Extreme Sports, and the range is about 2 kilometers, and this is also one of the best track in the whole Northeast region, and this is a national standard that I can say, and this is from the Manipur Extreme Sports and also from the participant. We have participants from 5 different regions. We have from Manali, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur. Yes, these are the participants. They are all professional riders.
Okay, so it's hearing from that, it's professional and is one of the best tracks in Northeast and also in the country. So are we getting the youngsters or also the old age people? Because I can see some, veterans also. So can you tell us about that?
Most of the participants are youngsters. They are between 18 to 25. But those veterans are like our former football players, they are supporting us, and the real contestants are the youngsters. Yes.
Okay, so apart from the cash prize, the first prize it is that I announced, the total of 80,000. So what else do we have? Second or third or anything else?
Yes, the first prize that we have mentioned was is 40,000. The second prize is 20,000. 10,000 is the third prize, and we have 4 consolation prizes of 2,000 each. And also we have goodies for the winners, sponsored by the Northern Cycles in Imphal.
It's such a big event, and what can we expect more from these organizations, the Chico Adventures, apart from the Siroi Lily? What more do we have?
Okay, because this festival is not only celebrating about the beauty of Lily, but this festival will promote tourism not only in the Khul district but the whole Manipur, and this festival can bring a huge change in tourism. And as you see that the surrounding, we have lots of potential tourist destination, and Ukhrul can be the best tourist destination in the whole world.
I do believe that Ukhrul can be a true destination of the tourists. Now, the race is almost about to start, I guess, right? So let's all watch and see the highlights of the event. Thank you. Alright guys, mountain bike downhill. Real taste ngasi kari no have do mayam su khangbiramani ai isamuk su khangjare aduga ngasi gi lairiba trek asigi trek is one of the best trek in Northeast ana hai adu trek sibu sembiriba Attitude X ki organizers sings Mr. Umanda ngasi akoi laire mangon gi trek ki matang da haifetang mayam puna khangminas
ko si trek se han moina Manipur se mane do labu pau de koi trek sem do koi technical part khad yawe sida koi team mayam sigi koi expertise mayam do koi punjalaga semani aduga sigi trek na ama Manipur gi oina koi downhill yamna koi thobu ya ba haitare ko koi thobu ya ba yam nuwaina thobu ya ba flow ma thobu ya ba se sina ama oidoni Manipur gi oina
adu trek se koi gi sai marak tak obstacles lai mayam je asigi je sigi idea mayam ka haitare sigi matang ji to kitang happy
obstacle lai mayam je te magi koi thobo gi mai skill do adu gi yeng koi skill do khangna ba de skill magi mana leisure skill do puthokna bane si am sam mungak tane si lem si bank kuma khoi thami se adu gi koi 3 feet height bank koi ko thora kan flow do koi tamna chongi ba ya ba dumba adu ma tane am curve oi ba koi aru body thamuna te se habdi mai momentum ko loina thobo ya ba ngak tane yam na koi amateur ni thobo ya re adu even open ni thobo ya ba but koi elite kuma na di mu khara mu si yam na koi yam simple yam live do oi rani
am successful oi ba event am oi nin thaje thank you so much
ceremony. Can we have a big round of applause for our top riders?
They are here for something, some purpose, so let us know what they are here for.
Yeah. Hello everyone. Today I would like to really thank the indigenous team and Minutes for holding such a program like this. We would like to say that the Shiroi Lily is not discriminating anybody here today. All the differently disabled, all the old age, all the orphans, children, everyone, we are one and we are here for you. And I just want to say that I love such programs like this, and I would like to thank everyone who's made this program success, and we should promote such events and continue to do so. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And like what about this orphanage thing, what are we doing here today?
We're coming here for sightseeing and to enjoy the view of the Ukrul. So that's it.
Okay. So you guys are the guides or the angels for the kids, right? Okay. So are you having fun? So how far? Where have you gone? Where have you been? And what's up next?
This is the first place we are having sightseeing, and then next we are going to Shiroi.
Yeah, and then we'll be having talent competition and then folk song competitions for all that. So this is a very exciting event, and I will also like to use this opportunity to thank Indigenous Foundation for organizing this Minute of Humanity. This is such a big event for them because it's giving them hope, it's giving them support. All these orphans, all these disabled, the old age people, they're making them realize that they're no different than us all. So that's it. Thank you.
Very excited, no?
All right. So cheers for them and cheers for the Indigenous Foundation who has been helping all these orphanage children to go for sightseeing in this event of Shiroi Lily Festival 2018. Thank you so much.
Festival asigi manung channa trekking equipment amade service provider ma wariba lamkoina Shiroi Chingkhongda camping site ama same saduna festival asibu saruk yab lakliba singda tented accommodation evening bonfire amade chana thakna na chingba khudong chaba kaya fanghanduna festival asi mapung fan bada achauba thodang lowki world class equipment kaya ahongba mamal da fanganduna lamkoi sirui camp second edition asida school gi mahiroi dagi hogduna naha ahal kayagi panthungpham oinaki
ngako
Baba bless it. Yes sir, 3 lakhs.
Festival asig manung chana pangthok ki sirok band competition amade travel euphony the solo hunt season 2 da kanglu ki khena bagi mami tadana lamdam asig mioi cha kya na saru ya ki mapum pha ba thorum ama oi ki
Well, people of Manipur, are you ready to see the biggest festival of rock in Manipur? And this is Mami Mapao. We're going to bring you all the total highlights of the event. Just look at the crowd, man, and look at the band performing. Tonight, the performing band is Queen's Rag, who has been nominated twice for Grammys Award nomination, and this is going to be a grand finale. The winner is performing tonight, and this is Mami Mapao giving you the highlight.
Panmayaba mana Sirok 2018 hongdokpo madi loisin bat numit singda mathang sina United States the base toba Still Heart amadi Grammy Award anirak nomination sangkiba rock band Queen's Rag anina akhanab Sahek Singh lanthoki
Well, that was Queen's Rag performing tonight, and with that we come to the end of the Sheer Rock Festival 2018, and we hope for more in the coming next year with Team Mami Mapao. This is Tenzing, your host, with cameraman Somorjit, and you're watching Mami Mapao. Thank you very much, everyone. I can't hear myself, and this is it.
Asumna numit mangani chufna yamna mapung fana madi mai pang na pangthok na matung Works Minister Thongam Bishwajit Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited ki chairman su oiriba Konthausam Assembly Constituency ki MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan namade Tamai Assembly Constituency ki MLA Aungbung Niumaina athoibu mithunglen sing oiduna saruk yaduna sing lemna pangthok ki thaurum mamana loisin ki Siroi Lily Festival 2018
Tang na sachabi Siroi Lily bu yokhatnaba hotnaban khaknatana lamdam asigi tourism industry bu anauba mayon ama puduna chatliba festival amani haibada thoidok hendokna laloidra khalli mathangi asina malem sinba thungna pangthokna riba International Dance Day Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy da mapung fana pangthokhi bagi mapauni kamdau bage haibadu mayam puni yenginas
April kunma panda malengi mapam kaya da International Dance Day pangthok na bagum Manipur ki mapam kaya da su pangthok rei Zen Manipur Dance Academy Infal na sinduna Academy asige Priyo Gopal Sana Auditorium da mapungoi ba thoram pangthoki numira sig marilena na saknaira filmmaker ASM Sharma maming lerabi artist amadi director Y Roma miyam na thoidong na khangnaraba choreographer amadi Sangit Natak Academy awardee TH Sautombi Sangit Natak Academy awardee maming lerabi dancer TH Surya Mukhi amadi maming leraba artist amadi musician kya da achamba khudol kya pidun ikai khumnaba utki Maishnam Amubi El Thambal Ngobi amadi TH Surya Mukhi harib oja sing asigi zagoi sing da yumpham moiba film sing loinana Sangai Dancing Deer of Manipur utpana numit adugi mapung moiba saktam oiki zagoi na Manipur bu malem da sak tak liharaga zagoi gi profession da leidaba mioi sing gi damakta mari leidaba sing na ikhan khan bidaba masung miyam na su ikai khumna bidaba asi laibak thebane cultural policy loisindana thamliba asi na su mari leidaba sing na culture gi damak kaya yamna khanbagi haibadu takli hana academy si ge vice chairman professor S Tombina nungnang bu phongdokhi
Manipur se masi sakta koina Manipur ki culture Manipur ki jagoi sina Manipur se prithvi da masakta ibani hai na hai adu di hai ba masi de encouragement siya le Manipur government ki suruat le adu ga di mayam su praja sing su ibani masi community jagoi se encourage ka biba jagoi sabi ko yamna khalat pidna masi Manipur ki sakta iba achuma koi professional asibo awai bidaba aduga masi ne koi masi mayam da khangna ba
Jagoi isai gi lamdam asigi artist kayana lauriba thodangbu sakhangduna pangthokpa thoramni JN Dance Academy, great job! Guys, it's time for a short commercial break. We will be right back soon. Welcome back again to Mami Mapao. Ngasi dagi chayol gi oina sandokpa thoram asigi ahum suboina thamjariba mapao asi. Thamoi sina hairi haina mingthonba music album ama mamang thagi kunga mapanda release tawkhibagi mapawni. Let's have a look.
Thamoi sina hairi haina mingthonba isai album ama haukiba April 18 da Imphal gi Nagamapal da leiba Sangai Hotel da haunabi matung ina release tawduna leibak miyam da saphongkhrei music album asi Kishore Chandra nama ki apokpa laikhidraba e Manohar gi mafam da kachaduna puthokpa gi mathakta album asi gi isai pummaksu mahaki mayek nei lamdam asi gi saknairab Arvind Soibam AJ Maishnam amade Suranjoy na chingma kyana sai shakloi oina sahek tamliba album asi gi saipan gi thaudangna Ji Shur Chandra amadi Nanau Shagol Mang anina lauri isai fongbagi thoram aduda athoiba mithunglen gi warol piraduna naharol gi thaudang gi editor khoirom loya lakpana khunai ama semdokpa sagatpada aibagi thaudang yamna chawna lei maram asina aiba aibi singna yam thawai yauna iviu haina apil tawki
Soidana mai pakpa miyamna pamnaba oibiu haiba wish asi pizeli ngasigi episode asigi mari suba amadi aroiba oina thamjariba asi Kau Phaba haina mingthonduna puthokliba Manipuri feature film amagi yaifa thauni pangthokibagi pagdamni mijeng taminas
Vimic Film Production banner makhar puthokadaba Kau Phaba haina mingthon Manipuri digital film ama haukiba April 18 da Manipur Press Club ta achamba thoram amaga loinana yaifa thauni mami khongho gi thoram pangthokrai saknaireba ai ba moirang them inau gi wari de yumpham oiduna pankhatkadaba amade bambam na puthokadoriba Kau Phaba haina mingthon ba Manipuri digital film asigi cinematography gi sintha kiran koijam na panggadori galifana costume design tawgadoriba film asigi makeup ki thaudangna banners in a lobakaluna surmani risina music sintha pangadauri aisomanina sairengba editor screenplay amadi lamjing lamtakpagi thodang logadauriba kau fava hariba film asida Gokul Soma amasung Ratan Lai na chingba lamdam asigi maming leiraba leirabi mamiroi kyana saktam langadauri
My partner puthok pirao phagadauri bakau si karam bakau no haibadusu mayam punna ngaiminasi amadi ngaijaramge. And now it's time to wind up today's episode. Ngasigi episode asi karam tobi bagi haibadu soidana comment amadi feedback pipiro. And also we have more exciting news and events coming up in the next episode. So do not forget to press the like or dislike button and also subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode, which is in next week. Until then, goodbye.